In the heart of the vast North American wilderness, long before the arrival of the European invaders, the Hopewell people thrived. Known as the Moundbuilders, they were a complex society that began to emerge around 200 BC, their existence stretching well into the early centuries of the Common Era. The Hopewell people lived in harmony with their surroundings, their settlements scattered across the Ohio and Mississippi River valleys. Their society was characterized by a rich tradition of artistry, with intricate pottery, meticulously crafted tools, and awe-inspiring earthworks that still stand as testaments to their ingenuity. However, life was not always easy for the Hopewell. The climate was unpredictable, and resources scarce. Yet, they faced these challenges with resilience, their society structured around a complex network of trade routes that stretched thousands of miles. They traded goods such as copper, shells, and precious stones, building alliances and fostering cultural exchanges with neighboring tribes. One of their most intriguing practices was their burial rituals. The dead were often interred with elaborate grave goods, some even adorned with materials from far-off lands. This suggested a deep belief in the afterlife and a desire to ensure their loved ones were well equipped for their journey. The Hopewell's most famous artifact is the Hopewell Mound, a massive earthen mound built around 200 AD. It stands nearly 13 feet tall and covers an area of over an acre. The purpose of the mound remains a mystery, but it serves as a stark reminder of the Hopewell's advanced engineering skills and the importance they placed on spirituality. The Hopewell culture's influence extended far beyond their homeland. Their artistic styles, burial practices, and trade networks left indelible marks on the societies that followed. In a sense, they were the first link in a chain of cultures that would eventually form the diverse tapestry of Native American societies we know today. Yet, despite their accomplishments, the Hopewell people vanished around 500 AD. The reasons for their decline remain a topic of debate among historians. Some believe overhunting and resource depletion led to their collapse, while others suggest invasions by hostile tribes played a role. Whatever the cause, the Hopewell left behind a legacy that continues to fascinate and inspire. Their story serves as a reminder of a time when human ingenuity, artistry, and spirituality flourished in the wilderness of the pre-Columbian Americas. Their vanished civilization stands as a testament to the resilience of the human spirit and the enduring allure of the unknown. The Hopewell people may have vanished, but their legacy lives on, echoing through the ages, a silent song of a people who once walked the earth in harmony with nature, their spirits forever bound to the land they called home.